Right, sorry folks, we just went offline there for a moment, but we've had a start in our unlimited restricted class, and it's Les Tomato in the Rattler. Out in front of Dave Meads in the Budlight. Davey Meads had a very good look at him up the inside on turn number 1. But Tomato just seems to have the top end. Oh, he throws the boat right up on its starboard chine there. Les just trying to get as much seat time in the boat as possible here this weekend. I spoke to him this morning. He said he's very, very keen to just spend as much time going around as he can in the boat. Just trying to get a handle on the way the boat handles. And of course, Dave Meads, that boat freshly rebuilt after a huge accident at the Australian Formula Grand Prix Championship. Literally broke the engine trunk in two, T-boned by another boat. So Dave's done a lot of work and done a beautiful job to get that boat back out on the water. An absolutely devoted powerboat racer is David Meads. Been doing it since he's a young fella. And Les Tomato takes the win in that one. And Davey Meads into second place.